Hello and good morning. It's a brand new, beautiful day. I woke up. I am so grateful to be alive in this world. I joyfully embrace this day with gratitude. I know today is a blessing and a gift. Today, with every breath I take, I breathe more joy, more love, more ease, and more abundance into my life. I am the most powerful person in my life. I believe in my dreams, myself, and all that I am. Today is going to be a really good day. Today, I lean fully into joy and allow myself to experience it on every level. I am excited to learn and to grow today. Everything I do today succeeds and prospers. Today, I align myself with confidence, peace, freedom, love, growth, and joy. I am feeling so healthy and happy today. My body is a vessel of wellness, and I am so grateful for every piece of it. I am unconditional in my love for myself, others, and this world today. I am thankful for all the incredible possibilities and amazing opportunities that are coming my way today. I love that I'm experiencing greater and greater happiness, wonder, and awe in my life. I am patient and love myself completely. I make good choices that enhance my life. I am so excited to see what magical experiences await for me today. Every day is a joy of discovery. I can't wait to see how the universe will surprise and delight me today. The more I love my life just as it is, the more it loves me back just as I am. I relax and appreciate every piece of myself and my life, releasing any and all resistance. As I resist nothing, nothing resists me. I fully accept and approve of myself. I am unconditional in my love for myself, others, and this world. Love surrounds me. I am fully supported. I am surrounded by wonderful, incredible people. All of my relationships are blissful, harmonious, and loving. I see the best in others, and they see the best in me. I'm amazed by the magical ways prosperity continues to increase in my life. I'm so grateful for all the wonderful people in my life. I focus on my desires from a place of trust, knowing, and abundance. I know I am limitless. I choose to find great joy in everything I experience today. Today, I will live from my heart and fulfill my destiny. I do have the power to change. Every day, I get better and better. My life does not have to be perfect to be amazing. Today, I will focus on my blessings, love, peace, success, excitement, and fun. Today, I will give my attention and energy only to those things that are serving the most magical and miraculous version of myself and my life. The most beautiful, magnificent, joy-filled life that has ever been lived is mine, and I claim it today. Yay! I hope you have the most beautiful, incredible, glorious day. My name is Andrea Henkels, and I will see you soon.